Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy E.Musical, and today we're working on body waves and arm waves today. So I just wanted to show you guys a little example of what we're gonna go with, and I'm gonna elaborate on what's happening later. Ready guys? And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy E.Musical. I just want to give you guys a big hearty thank you for getting me up to 100 subscribers. Actually, we made it past that a week ago. So thank you so much. Please continue to watch, please continue to share, please continue to like, please continue to get your friends to subscribe. Tell your friends. All my moves are pretty legitimately easy for the most part, and I get a chance to fine tune it if you already know how to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Today I want to go over the arm wave or body waving, but more so arm waving. So waving is a very interesting thing. A lot of people see a lot of dancers and they're like, oh yeah, I can wave too, and they always do that. Alright, cool, but let's make it look pretty, yeah? How do we make it look pretty? There's 4 points that I want you to pay attention to. And then later on, I'm going to show you guys 3 points to really pay attention to. But for now, the 4 points that I want you guys to pay attention to. Your fingers, your wrist, your elbow, your shoulders. From right here, when I do my wave, I'm going to start from my shoulder. Up, elbow, wrist, fingers. Boom. My fingers curl, they release. If I want to go into my body, I raise up, curl, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and then I let it dissipate. So I'm going in just like that, and then I go out. In, out. Now, here's the thing. It looks prettier the smaller you make your wave and the more straight you have this arm. As you can see, if I go like this, it doesn't look as pretty. But right here, it looks nice and subtle and clean. The same thing goes for this side if I want to fully connect. And all I'm doing is just focusing on fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Just like that. All right, so now that we're done with that portion, I'm gonna show you these 3 waves, right? I'm gonna show you a normal arm wave, I'm gonna show you how to Medusa, and I'm gonna show you how to wave sweep or sweep waves. However you wanna say it, whatever. All right, so arm waving. Like I said, you start with your fingers, and you're gonna end with your fingers, right? So I'm gonna raise my finger, I'm gonna cut, and then I'm bringing on the wrist. I'm focusing on the wrist. Then my elbow comes up with a slight bend. That's all it is, it's just a slight bend. Then my shoulder comes up. My other shoulder, my elbow, my wrist, and then my fingers, and I release. So all together, just like that. Now, a Medusa works different. As one arm comes up, the other arm comes down. And I'm focusing on the wrist, elbow, and shoulder, right? The fingers aren't really that much important because all I'm doing is just controlling it with my arms and shoulders. Boom, just like so. Bam. Easy. One arm goes up, the other arm goes down. I'm leading with my elbows and I'm leading with my shoulders. Boom. Elbows and shoulders, super important. Your wrist is the thing that adds the flair. And finally, when it comes to the sweeps, super easy. All I want you to do is just take your wrists and lead a motion with your wrists. Switch, lead. Switch, lead. A lot of people are like, oh, this looks like Tai Chi. Kind of, sort of. And you just come back down. Once you get super comfortable with it, then you can start using your direction of your elbows to really add like a really wavy shindig to it, yeah? And that is it.